Access Only is an authority level on Virtual Keypad. You can remotely manage door access from a computer or mobile device. Here's how to get started using Virtual Keypad. You have received an email to create your Virtual Keypad account. If you have any issues finding the email, check your spam folder or contact us for additional help. Open the email and select Set up Account. Create a password for your Virtual Keypad account. Now, access Virtual Keypad either from a browser or download the app from your App Store. Enter your email and the password you just created and tap Login. Now enter your user code for your security system. Swipe and you're in. Here is the home screen, where you can access doors on the system. Select Access to grant momentary access to any door allowed. If you have any questions on Virtual Keypad, access the Help file located on the side menu under Help. Or tap our logo at the top of the menu to contact us directly.